comes thus far, right?
Yep, it's here comes thus far. Make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is do a hamburger fold. Like that. And then we're going to open it up and fold triangular.
Make sure you fold till the line that you folded.
And then after that, you're going to cut this remaining piece off. Now that you did that, you're going to do a hot dog fold.
Fold it like a hot dog bun.
Exactly. Make sure it's nicely folded. Then you're going to open it up and fold into fourths. Like that.
The hot dog way, not the hamburger way.
And do on the other side as well. Okay, now that you did that, you're going to fold it in half, and then in fourths, and then in eighths.
If you don't know how to fold in eighths, then he's going to show you how.
You could pause the video if you need to. Okay, so here we go.
That's how you fold in eighths. Fold it till the one that you did in fourths, and then bring it all the way back. There.
Then you're going to do it.
And then we're going to mirror the other part that you did, the right side.
Like that. And now you're going to draw an X in each 2x1 square. As you can see over here, that it's see how they're folded? This is one square and this is a 2x2. So this is a 2x1. So you're going to draw X like that. So get a ruler, a pencil, and then draw X in each of these 2x1 squares. So let me give you an example, like that, like that. Oops, like that. Okay? So after you've done that, we'll lead you to the next step.
Okay, so guys, once you're finished drawing, it should look like this. Once you're finished with your line, it should look like this.
Many diamonds.
Looks like diamonds or X's.
Okay, now that you've done that, you're going to fold all of these lines, like every single one of these lines. So do on both. So remember to do it like...
Do it diagonally. Don't do it like part by part.
So keep doing that and do that for the other line as well. So you can see the pattern. So you should get it probably. Okay, now that you folded that, you're going to make it in a triangle. So remember how you divide it in fourths? Maybe you want to do that one more time. Then you're going to do like that. See this one? You're going to put this one through this one. So make a triangle all the way. So it can make a triangle. So put it in. It might take a while. It might be the hardest step, but just if you're gonna make your flexagon, then you'll have to do it. Just like that. So now you're gonna you see this? You're gonna feel like it's a foldable, so you're gonna fold that, and then fold that. So you might want to have a closer look at it. And like do on all three sides. Make sure they're tight. You're gonna make it like a shape of a trapezoid. Then you're gonna let go, trapezoid, and then let go, and then trapezoid, and then
go, and then make the last one.
Maybe the double layered one might be the hardest one. So don't worry.
Yeah, because it's kind of hard to fold.
So there you go. Got your triangle. Well, it's not done yet. Okay, now that you have something that looks like this, you're gonna make it like in a fish shape, right?
Should
So
look like a
sure-
fish. Like
Yeah. My opinion, look like a fish.
yeah.
So now you're gonna feel these diamonds. You're gonna push these diamonds down.
You're gonna have to
right?
kind of pinch it.
This is the most important fold of them all. So do this on all 3 sides, and then you almost have it.
Okay, so
Okay.
once you've pinched all sides, there you have it, your new flexagon.
Yeah. So you have to pinch it on all sides. Make sure it's tight.
And once you're finished, it would look something like this.
Okay, so now you should have something that looks like this, an infinite moving flexagon. Move from both sides. Very cool fidget toy. So I hope you enjoyed that video. And the challenge is subscribe in 3, 2, 1. Subscribe! And the challenge is to like in 1 second. 1, 0. So like! So see ya. And here comes us for signing off. Till next time.
Bye.